Cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices. Cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Cooks in the kitchen. We have some pumpkin and parsnip on the menu today, and we're going to make a beautiful warming autumnal soup. Are you ready for this? Of course you are. All of the ingredients used in this video will be listed in the description box below. So what are we waiting for, beautiful foodies? Let's cook! Woohoo! Okay, let's put some flavors on the pumpkin and parsnip. In with half an onion, some ginger, 2 cups of pumpkin, and I've got about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic in here. And I've got 2 large parsnips. In with some olive oil, salt and black pepper. Up next, some garlic and onion granules. I've got some ground coriander, not the nutmeg yet, and some cumin. I'm just seasoning it up with these. A half a teaspoon of cumin and coriander. Let's mix this all together. Okay, that's thoroughly mixed in together. Now let's grab a lined baking tray. Just let's pour it all on there. We are going to put this now into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. And we're going to roast it for 30 minutes approximately. And I'll see you once it's done. Okay, our veg are done, nicely roasted. I'm going to get those into the blender now with some stock. I am using chicken stock, but you can use vegetable stock. Lid on, and we're going to blend. Time to add some coconut milk. I'm going to blitz again. I'm going to add the blended soup to the pot. We're going to gently heat this through. Let's taste. It's tasting beautiful. We're going to go in with some nutmeg, black pepper and salt, just a pinch more salt. Look at that. This is looking so warming and comforting. I tried to get some pumpkin from Jamaica, but I couldn't find any, so I just got pumpkin that was available, but not the one they use for Halloween. The Jamaican pumpkin is a lot brighter in color as well. Now the taste with a clean spoon. Now we're talking. Okay, the soup is finished. Lid on, and we'll serve up in a little while. Let's plate up. Using some toasted seeds as well as some peas. So just for a bit of protein, fiber and crunch. It's looking really beautiful. Up with some chili flakes, punch of heat and spice, and a pop of greenery. I'm using some parsley. Let's pop a bit of olive oil, crack of black pepper, and finally just a swirl of coconut milk. And there you have it, guys, my roasted pumpkin and parsnip soup. How delicious is that looking? Bet you can't wait to dive in. And on this side we've got some garlic and cheese toasties, so you can dip it in and enjoy this beautiful autumnal soup that gives you a huge hug. Yes. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share with your friends and family, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of Claudie Cooks' new uploads. I'll see you in the next video. Woo-hoo.
Claudia cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices. Claudia cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean